got a big. Let me look it.
So like, are we dating now? Like, what's up, bro? Like, if I weren't eating this right now, I'd eat you. You got one more time to smack him out here. YouTube, what's poppin'? It's your boy Key Sharday, better known as Key Drummer Boy, and y'all see who I'm with. Tell them who you is. They know who you is.
Corey.
This is all y'all talk about, bro. All y'all talk about. But you feel me? We here with a mukbang. You know what I'm saying? Show them what you got. We got the wings. He got barbecue. I got signature. We at this place called Fort Floridinos.
That's their signature?
Mm-hmm. You know what I'm saying? Start pretty. Listen.
Oh, that's why it's sweet pea.
So we here for y'all. Y'all saw our last video on where we been. I know we been gone a little minute, but just click the link in the description. Dang, you don't start eating already. Dang, I ain't even take no first bite yet. Let me take my first bite.
I never had this.
Click the link in the bio. I mean, click the link in the description though. Y'all can see where we been at. Let me take my first bite. It's good.
It's good. It's still hot though. That's what's crazy.
We just got it.
I know, but we had went to the store. We had to find parking. Well, it wasn't.
You know what we got to drink? I mixed mine. I got like, what I got? I forgot what
mango and
mango.
that cherry stuff.
Okay, that. It's an icy.
Smoothie.
But how you been? What you been doing?
I've been chilling. I've been working. I got a new job. So
I just wasted on my shirt.
Let me look it.
What the freak? Anyway, y'all be wanna know what we is, bro. That's all y'all talk about. Every single video I post, y'all be like, where's Troy? Where's the Waffle House girl? Where's Dang. I can't be with nobody no more.
You don't need to.
What? I'll make content. What you thought about that prank I did on you? Everybody said I was childish for that. It was a prank. Y'all don't want me to do pranks? I'm not supposed to do pranks?
It was childish.
Shut up. Don't do that.
No, you cool.
She's trying to make me seem like a bad guy. It was a prank.
I don't care what it was.
I'm going to do some more pranks on you. Y'all comment below what kind of pranks y'all want me to do on her. Cause I'm a YouTuber now, so I got to do pranks. And you finna be a YouTuber too, so you got to expect pranks.
Okay.
You taste your drink? It was good.
No, it's like water. I told you like the frozen lemonade was like watery.
She got frozen lemonade.
Yeah, I got like frozen lemonade.
Strawberry smoothie. Who gets
strawberry.
That? Out of all them options in there, you get strawberry.
No, it was strawberry banana. It was strawberry banana smoothie, and I mixed it with frozen lemonade. But the thing is, though, I like both of them, so I figured like maybe it would taste good together. You know? It's alright though.
But let's start with us.
Like me?
What?
So you like me? Yes or no?
You know I like you. What the freak?
Don't say what the freak.
I'm saying
you
you
don't have time to answer.
No.
You got a big drink.
I told you could have got the same one, but you weren't gonna drink it. Do you like me?
Yeah.
How much? 1 out of 10.
8.5. 9.
Why I don't got the other two?
Y'all don't let him like.
Your phone ringing.
Oh, grandma calling. I can't answer. I got barbecue in my hands.
Y'all what?
What?
What you finna say? Don't smack my ear. It better be good. This is on either hand though, I ain't gonna lie.
I thought y'all can't help it.
This is my first mukbang too. What is it called? Mukbang? 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 A lot of people say a lot of people.
Hey, mukbang.
I think so too. But, what you finna say?
I said, don't let him fool y'all. He rude in real life.
What?
I'm just playing. Nah, he cool. I like him.
What?
And I really don't like people easily.
I'm rude.
No.
So I was just.
You got slick mouth. You got slick mouth.
You do too. People don't know this. People just see your innocent side. But it's okay.
Do I look mean?
No, you look innocent. That's the point. That's the problem.
I'm saying though, you know how the people that look the nicest, they be real.
That's how you are. You look the nicest. That the people that be like look the nicest, look the most innocent, be the meanest ones. And that's exactly how she is. That's exactly how she is. And I bet you, like, if we get in an argument or something, they gonna always blame me, and I hate it because you be the one. I mean, well, she don't like. We haven't even argued yet, but like, you probably could be the one that'll like, you feel me?
Initiate it, like start it.
Yeah, and they'll just be like, oh, I already know it, just like they already been doing. Y'all haven't seen us together. Y'all gonna automatically go to assuming, oh, I'm sure she stopped talking to him because that prank you did. You be around all them girls and all this and that. I'm like, bro, I make content for y'all.
But I know what be going on, so
exactly.
You know.
Oh, we can't like that. As long as you know what's up. But do you care about that? Like, do you care about me doing videos with all them girls and stuff?
No.
You don't?
I'm not insecure. I know what's going on for real.
Okay.
And you know better. That's kind of the main thing, you know.
Okay. I know better.
Yes.
Oh, okay. I said okay.
I know, but the way you said it, I don't like that.
Hey, you said it like, so like, are we dating now? Like, what's up, bro? Like, you talk about I know better.
That's what they asked.
That's what they think.
And we did.
We ain't get that far yet, but I vibe with it. We still vibing. I told y'all.
Your head is shaped like a pinto bean.
Are you ripping? You ripping? I'm gonna sweat. You.
No.
I ain't gonna even do it like that.
No, when I look at it.
I'm gonna
Don't do that. It was in my head, so I said it.
Okay. I'm straight, but I'm eating out. This food too good. Don't look over here.
I can
I asked you, did you want some?
I don't even know what that is. You said the signature, but that ain't saying nothing.
Y'all know how girls be. Girls be getting the same exact thing, and they be all in your plate. And you still looking over here. Get you.
No, I'm just trying to look at.
You got your own.
Okay,
you
but I
wanted
want
barbecue,
to see.
so I bought you barbecue. And that look nasty. Mine look good. It's sweet and it got a little spice to it.
I don't like that.
Okay. Anyway.
I done got so used to peeling the chicken because I used to have braces, so I never bite into it. I always get my hands.
You have braces?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Really?
I never knew that.
I have braces. I got them taken off. Right before I moved to Connecticut, 2 years ago.
You got to move back?
Yeah.
She met me when she moved back, y'all.
Literally.
You got to met.
Yeah. Everything happens for a reason, you know that, right?
Like,
You was at the right place at the right time.
Now we gotta run it up though. Now. Y'all see, that's what I'm saying. Y'all know where we been. If y'all still don't know where we been at, why we haven't been posting, click the link in the description. We gonna tell you. It's crazy. But we good now. I'm still recording. But we good now. So how often you try to make videos?
How often you want to make them?
Move that. I didn't want to make videos every day, but you can. She got a new job now. Y'all know I don't work.
I don't work, job.
Facts.
That's how I do.
That's how you need to be. You got 10,000 followers in not even a week.
That's
you
true.
know how much money you could be making right now? You know how fast that was? Social media page, you make a lot of money from social media. What did you not let me from?
No, because I ain't noticed what you was wearing. You look good.
Drilled up.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you look good too.
I'm good.
If I weren't eating this right now, I'd eat you.
Why you say that? Why you say that? Dang, you eat fast.
You still in my plate? Yeah.
I'm
sorry.
I can't help it. That's crazy.
That's why I keep going forward to it. Every time I bite, I don't want to see me bite because I look hungry. I told you I ain't eat all day.
Demolishing the whole thing.
I ain't eat all day.
Cleaning your bones.
How else you supposed to eat chicken? See, you one of them type.
No, look.
She leave all the meat on the bone.
No, I don't. No, I don't. I'll never do that. I'll never do that. And I eat the gristle. The gristle's like my favorite part.
The gristle, you're not supposed to eat the gristle. Old people eat gristles. You eat this part right there.
Yes, all of it.
I put a ranch all over the nose. Do the thing. Please. Real nigga.
How dare you?
What?
Now that boy was big.
Nah, fast. I didn't know what that was.
It was so loud.
I clean it. Make sure I remember the name. Even though I clean that one, put some hand sanitizer. Anyways.
Sleepy.
You sleepy?
No?
What you said?
Sleepy.
I was gonna be like,
you want me to be sick of you so bad? He want to go with other girls so bad. I will.
What is you?
And.
Bro. I don't be doing nothing. Y'all know this. All my real people, they know all I do is make content. I don't really trying to talk to nobody. I don't be taking nobody serious. Nobody. I got my heart broke a lot. I got my heart broke like 4 times. How many times you got your heart broke?
Once.
See, look. I got my heart broke 4 times. You won.
Lying.
For real. Every relationship I've been in.
Your heart got broke. Your heart got broke. That look good.
Yep. It's crazy, y'all. I want to say, girls be the ones that be breaking dudes' hearts. And y'all just be like, niggas ain't S-word and all this and that. It really be the girls, bro. I'm hoping you different, though. You different.
Just find out.
We'll see.
I know. You eat too fast. Slow down.
You ain't alright. I'm eating my food. I'm eating my food. You got one more time to smack in my ear.
I'm not.
She grabbing. Listen though.
Don't do another one.
Ooh, I just got brain feed.
You got brain feed.
Oh, it's gonna hurt.
What it feel like? I never had a brain freeze.
You drink, you slip it hard. No. You do it like this, like. And then swallow it.
Why would you do that?
Cause it's good. I mean, I ain't doing it on purpose.
What was that? farted?
Come on now.
I didn't know what that was.
I can't fart around you yet. We ain't that close.
You can't fart around me? I will fart around you.
But she farted around me the first day. You remember when we went to the airport? No, to the mall. I thought she farted, but that joint was so stank. I was just playing with her. That joint was so stank, bro. It wasn't her. It was like, y'all know how the little sewers be.
Yeah.
That joint was so stank, bro. I looked at her. I was like, "You farted," and she just started laughing. But I thought it was her for real.
I will fart in front of you now.
Don't.
But I will laugh. Like, you will know if I'm laughing a lot. Like,
please don't fart.
What's wrong with that? It's natural.
I remember it's natural, but please don't fart. Can you come in natural, please?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. I can't see.
I got a phone. I don't even need. I'm gonna save them. Well. Thank y'all for tuning into this video. Shout out to Tori.
Shout out to me.
Make sure y'all comment, like, subscribe to this channel. We finna go up. I know y'all want to see her in some more videos. Keep on commenting ideas. Subscribe, stay tuned, and we gone.
You can step the old nigga like I'm killing the roach. I told that bitch to throw her hair back like she's driving the boat. You can step the old nigga like I'm killing the roach. I told that bitch to throw her hair back like she's driving the boat. Nigga, kid a roach. Kid a roach. Nigga, kid a roach. Kid a roach. Nigga, kid a roach. Kid a roach.